I'm going to talk about how you can peg a potential price for the crypto you're holding, a target price of what you think it will achieve, and then how to do that using the total market and market dominance. So you'll know what to watch over time instead of just staring at a chart, hoping it goes up. The idea is, where do you think it's going to go? So then you can set whatever levels you want to sell at, a little below, a little at, a little above, that sort of thing. So we're going to talk about markets in general and market dominance. This is Crypto for the Rest of Us. I do this 6 days a week. Tip tool, coin analysis. I'm a big dumb animal. That's my disclaimer. Don't do what I do. Okay. In general, if you have a crypto and you want the price to go up, what's going to happen? What needs to happen? See here on the screen, this is tradingview.com. You type in total. That is the total. It's 3.4 trillion. That is every single crypto's market cap added together. That's the total. 3.4 trillion. If it stays at 3.4 trillion, that means that if your crypto wants to go up, something else has to go down. The only way more money is going to flow into yours is if it leaves something else. That's one. Two, more money comes into the market, and that 3.4 trillion becomes 4 trillion, 5 trillion, 6 trillion, 7 trillion. More money comes in, more money flows into your crypto, and the price can go up. Okay, now we know that there's only two ways, two events that need to happen. So you want to watch the total, and there's also total 2, which excludes Bitcoin, total 3, which excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then what's called others, which excludes the top 10. But we're going to use total because when we look at the market dominance of a particular crypto, it's with respect to total. So over time, you want to keep watching the total market. We want that to go up. All right. Because we want our crypto to not only go up, but to have more market share. We want both of those two things to happen. We want more money to flow in because the market's going up, and we want to take money from other coins. So let's talk about, and I'll show you how to get the price. We're going to do two examples. The price of Solana, the total market cap of Solana, and then the dominance of Solana, so we can compare it. And then I'll show you a way of doing it with a particular coin when we want it to go up even more. So you type in SOL USD. It's Solana USD. These are various exchanges. The prices should be relatively close to the same. So we pull it up and we see that right now it's $238. So I'm just going to show you that you can just hover over any day and you can get the price. So like November 1st price, December 1st price, that's what we're going to do. I already did it. I'm going to save you the time. We got the prices for the November 1st and December 1st. Okay, now let's look at the total market cap. SOL, you can type in market cap or it happened to pop up right there. We click it. As you can see, it's showing us not the price, but the market cap. Okay. We look at the December market cap, around 113 billion. We look at November market cap, much less. Okay, that's how you get the market cap on any given day. Now let's look at dominance. SOL, Solana SOL, period D, which means market dominance. Let's look at that. That is a percent. Why is it a percent? So the current market cap of Solana was around 112 billion. So at that market cap of 112 billion, it's a little over 3% of the entire market. Okay, now we looked at total, which was the total market. We looked at the dominance market cap. So here's what we got. Solana, November 1st, the price was $166. The market cap was $78. I showed you how to get the price, showed you how to get the market cap, showed you how to get the dominance. The total market was 2.28 trillion. That was back on November 1st. December 1st, a couple days ago, price was $236. Look, the price went up. Great. Market cap, of course, 112 billion. Market cap went up. Great. We're assuming that the coins, the number of coins are staying the same. Everything is apples to apples. But the dominance, this is interesting. The total market went from 2.28 trillion to 3.4 trillion. Okay. The price of Solana went up. Its total market cap of Solana went up. The entire market went up. However, what does this mean? In November, it had a higher dominance than December, even though the price went up. That means that while the market was going up, Solana was not going up proportionally, so it underperformed. You would want to see 3.3 and 3.3 if you just wanted it to perform, go up at the same rate as the entire market. You would want it to go from, say, 3.4 to 3.5 if you wanted it to outperform the market. So by tracking your crypto in this manner and looking at dominance, you can see, is it moving with the market or not? Why is that important? Well, people have made all sorts of predictions on how big they think the market's going to get. I'm going to use simple math. I've heard 6 trillion, 8 trillion, 10, 12, 14, meaning between now and sometime in 2025, the end of this bull run. If it was 10 trillion, and on November 1st it was 2.28, so that's 4 times if it were to get to 10 trillion. It's a 4x. Now, 3.4 trillion, December 1st, to get to 10 trillion is a 3x. So what does that mean? I'm just ballparking. That means if you take the price and you times it by 4 on November 1st, and here it was 3x, so you take the price, multiplying the sell of $236 times 3, it should be roughly around the same price. Because my math isn't perfect, but you get the idea. It's around $700. What is that telling us? That tells us that if people believe the total market is going to get to 10 trillion and you're watching it because you want to see the total market continue to go up, and if it's going to go up to 10 trillion, then you would expect, assuming Solana keeps the same amount of market share, that it would get to around $700. That's a 3x from today. Not unreasonable, as long as it doesn't lose market share. So you're not just looking, so see, you saw Solana's price went up by 40, 70, almost $80. It went up substantially, but the dominance didn't. Okay, so we would like it to go up even more than that. So let me give you another example. We're going to use Fetch because it's a smaller market cap, much smaller. So here's what I did with Fetch, F-E-T. First, we took the total market. As you can see, it's about 3.4 trillion. Over here, we looked at the total market on December 3rd. Then I looked at the industry. So let me show you here, because we want to look at not just the crypto, but also relatively how it's doing in its industry. So you go to cryptocurrencies, and I showed this all yesterday when I did a quick 5-minute video. A quick video on how to check all your crypto in 5 minutes. But now we're getting into more details because if you're investing money, you need to stay on top of it. So we go in here, we're going to look for artificial intelligence. Got to do a quick search. If I spelled it right, we'll find it. There it is, artificial intelligence. Now on CoinGecko.com, what's nice is it tells you here of all the coins it thinks are artificial intelligence, whether right or wrong, here they all are. It's saying the market cap is 44 billion. And this will change over time, obviously, as the market caps of the individuals go up. Okay, so now we know that in the industry of artificial intelligence, right, that's what we looked at, it's 44 billion, roughly. Now, I just divided. We've got 3.4 trillion for the total market. The industry is 44 billion. That's 1.29%. We look at Fetch. At the moment I looked it up, Fetch was $2.20. Showed you how to do it with Solana. Looked at the market cap as well, 4.8. Again, you can just do a calculation because not all the crypto and trading view allows you to put the .d behind it. They say they have all. I haven't seen all of them. But anyway, again, you just do the math and you'll see that of the total market cap, it's 0.14% dominance. All right. So again, if we're going to 3x the price of Fetch, because we think it's going to go from 3.4 trillion total market to 10 trillion, well, then that's $2. Let's just do the math real quick. Times 3, $6. We believe, or hoping, Fetch would go up quite a bit more. Let's think about that. If we could achieve 0.28%, that would double this price to $12. So what do we need to happen? We need to watch not just the price of Fetch and the market cap of Fetch, but its dominance. So we want to see that the total market is going towards 10 trillion so that we can get that 3x of $6. Assuming every time we look at market dominance, we get 0.14. So you want to basically do this for all of your crypto. So you can see on a particular day, let's say just do it on the weekend, do it over the holidays, whatever, pick a day, do it for everything, and then you'll have a reference point and you'll look and you'll say, what's the dominance of this? A week later, what's the dominance? The dominance is going up and the total market cap is going up. Okay, not only are you going to get more than a 3x, but you might get something else. And you can see that in order to get it to $12, from $2 to $12, we're going to need the dominance to hit 0.28%. There you go. It's that simple. By using market dominance, it gives you a general idea. So if you believe the market's going to go from 3.4 trillion to around 10, you take all your crypto that you have and you 3x it. And you're thinking, Brian, you're an idiot. I bought this stuff to get a 10x, a 20x, a 50x, a 100x. I get it. And maybe some things will get that high. But I'm doing this for all my crypto. And I'm saying, all right, if I want to get a 6x on everything, this is what I need to happen. You can do the math and figure out what you need to do to get a 10x. And then for all of my crypto, I know I keep my eye on the total market and I keep my eye on their market dominance. Not just the dominance of Fetch, but also the dominance of the industry. Because ideally, three things are going to happen. The total market will go up from 3.4 trillion to 10. The dominance of your industry will be going up. You're just going to take what you see on CoinGecko, divide with the total market, get the dominance. Hopefully this is going to go to 1.4%, right? And then eventually we get to 2%. You're like, all right, if the entire AI market's doing well and mine is going up, that's what you want to see. The industry's going up, the coin's going up. I suggest you get a reference point for all your crypto. You watch the total market. You watch the dominance of the category. You watch the dominance of your particular crypto. And that way you can get a general realistic idea of where you think your crypto will actually go. As you can see, 3.4 trillion to 10 trillion is just, if everything just went up at the same rate, it's just a 3x on everything. It's not that amazing. So be careful with these 20x, 50x, 100x predictions. Some crypto, some means they may do that, but not everything. So keep an eye on these things, because when you see the dominance of your industry falling over time and the dominance potentially of your coin falling, well, regardless of the price, that's predicting potentially the end of that coin's run. I hope this was helpful. I know this was more detail. If you didn't see the other video, that one shows you how you can just do all of this by looking at CoinGecko and looking at the 30-day, 7-day changes and get a quick idea. Know what you own. Stay on top of it. We can all make generational wealth together with crypto. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.